Hi guys, Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be going over star notes, and I'm going to show you guys how to find star notes and star note lookup, and to see if they are rare or not. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so as you can see the serial right here, and you have the star after it. That's how you tell whether you have a star note or not. It'll have a star after the serial number. So now we're going to go on the computer, and we're going to go to Google and type in star note lookup. Okay, now that's the one you want to select. Okay, so now what you want to do is select $1, the year, and then type in the serial number. So we have $1 bill. The year is 2017A. And then we're going to type in the serial number. So let's go ahead. 2017A. Serial number is, with the letter included, G01257-604. And look up your star note. And it is less rare. Total printed 9 million. So that is how you tell whether yours is rare or less rare, guys. Hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.